Starting vegetable seeds indoors has several advantages, including buying you some time. Out here in the diaspora in the USA, Canada, Europe, we do not have a very long growing season. So when you start your vegetables indoors, they are ready to go in the garden once spring gets here and places are warm again. If you're thinking about growing some African vegetables and you do not know which ones you can start indoors, I will share with you 6 vegetable seeds that you can start indoors so that by the time spring is here, you are ready to go. Hello and welcome back to the place where we learn how to grow a garden and how to grow our health. Yaje here, and today I wanted to just stop by real quick and share with you some culturally important African vegetables that you can start indoors so that once it thaws, wherever you are, the plants are ready to go in the garden. The first one that I will share with you, peppers. If you're planning on growing some peppers, I'm going to recommend that you start them from seeds about 6 weeks before you take them outdoors. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the peppers to germinate and then get to the point where you can actually take them to the garden. The second one, bitter leaf. You know, I always talk about my darling bitter leaf. They are very important, and I really hope that a lot of you will try growing bitter leaves. All right, so you can start your bitter leaves indoors and they'll be ready to go in the garden once it's warm outside again. The third one, sweet bitter leaves. Sweet bitter leaves is different from regular bitter leaves. You can also start your sweet bitter leaf seeds indoors. The sweet bitter leaf seeds are very tiny seeds. If you just throw your seeds in the garden, chances are they might not germinate, or the germination rate might be very low. So if you have some bitter leaf seeds, go ahead and start them indoors in little grow containers. I'm going to share the containers with you in a different video. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe, as I will show you how to start all of these seeds in subsequent videos. The fourth vegetable, the garden egg. Those are perfect to start in containers because it takes again 4 to 6 weeks for them to be ready to put in the garden. So if you do that, you're going to have a longer period to harvest the fruits and enjoy the fruits before winter gets here. And the fifth vegetable, the garden egg leaf. That is the Boma or the Anchia. I'm going to be putting their scientific names, you can look them up. But Anchia or the Boma, you can start the seeds indoors, and when it is spring, it will be ready to go in the garden and you'll have a longer period of harvesting. And the last one would be our ugu or okong, obong, or the fluted pumpkin. Definitely consider starting that one indoors. The seeds are so hard to come by and they are so hard to germinate. Please don't just go throw your ugu seeds in the garden and then pray. Start them in a container indoors. And ugu seeds like warmth to germinate. So when you start your seeds indoors, you can control the environment better to make sure that it will germinate. So those were 6 vegetables that you can start now. You can start indoors while we wait for places to thaw. Like, share, and subscribe. Grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Until next time, bye.